The next mistake is incomplete healthcare documents. The healthcare documents are state specific, and in Arizona we have 4. There's a living will that says at some point, I want you to pull the plug. It says if I get to a point where I'm a vegetable, there's no hope for me, I'm brain dead, I want you to keep me comfortable, but I don't want you to make heroic efforts and spend a lot of money to keep me alive just to keep me alive. That's the living will. A lot of the healthcare providers are not too excited about pulling the plug. They're trained to keep you alive at all expense, your expense. But also, they're afraid if they pull the plug too soon, they might get sued. So we recommend that the living will be in the very best format available, that it be brought current every once in a while. Also, the healthcare power of attorney. That's who makes the decision about your healthcare if you can't, to authorize emergency treatment, to pull the plug, or to make decisions about your final remains. It used to be the person who would make decisions about your final remains was the person listed under the property power of attorney. Today, that's done under the healthcare power of attorney. Especially significant if you can be cremated. Well, under the new healthcare power of attorney, you say, this is what I want. Here's who makes the decision. That's the end of the story. In Arizona, we have a mental health power of attorney, and that is state specific. If you need a full-fledged mental health review, or if you have dementia or Alzheimer's, you have to go into a controlled facility. Some of them want the new mental health power of attorney. If you don't have that, then they want a court order. Well, before the court will issue the order, they're going to appoint the attorney, physician, social worker. Here you go. And at the worst time in your life, you have complete strangers making decisions about your care and taking your assets. That is an important document. The final form is the HIPAA form, the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. That's a federal document, and that's who has access to your protected health information. Very important that you and your beneficiaries, your children, others who depend upon you, and for whom you can make decisions, have the proper and current HIPAA form.